3, 2, 1. Welcome to the Forex Trading Show. Forex trading live every weekday morning. Real trades, real profits, zero analysis. Set back, relax, and get ready to profit. And now, your host, Terry from FXWithTerry.com.
Welcome, fellow Forex traders. Terry from FXWithTerry.com, the free signal that you have available. If you go to FXWithTerry.com, join the group. This is what we are trading right now. CAD JPY is a terrific trade, an incredible trade. Also a note, today starts the new format, and things are going to be changing a lot. When I say format of this live, we are live right now on YouTube publicly. We are just looking at the free Forex signal. Normally I would look at all accounts. However, in doing that, looking at all of the other accounts that we have, that is for subscribers. And what I'm going to start doing as of today is when I finish this live talking about the free signal, it'll be short, sweet, real simple. When I finish this live, I will end the live, and we will immediately go live inside of the group, subscribers only. Now, right now, if you're in the group, I have not tested the permissions. So right now it's set to be able to be accessible by subscribers only. We're going to see how it works. I'm the kind of guy, I'm the entrepreneur. I put a box of airplane parts together and I go jump off the cliff and I build the airplane on the way down. Okay, that's what we're doing today. Very rogue entrepreneurial type stuff. If it works, great. If it doesn't, I'll figure out the kinks and you guys can let me know. In terms of works, maybe it's available to everyone. I don't think it is, but permissions inside of Discord are not easy to set. You got to play with it, and I did not play with it. Normally I test it. I did not test it. So that means there's going to be errors. Nonetheless, we're looking at the free signal here. CAD JPY buy. It's a terrific trade. If you look at the chart here, we have just a little ways to go to get to the take profit. Take profit's at the top here. We've got a little ways to go, and it's kind of sitting here thinking about it. If I look at, it's slowly creeping up there. Could you enter this right now and make a profit? You could. That's not to say that it's not going to pull back again, because I'm not saying it can't do that. But it's headed towards take profit. This is a great trade. You could jump in. If I had the time, if I wasn't live right now, I'd probably jump into this. But that's me. And going to be a great trade. As far as history goes, we'll go look at that. I probably should give you a little bit more explanation. Today is going to be very short and sweet, but I am changing the entire format of this free signal broadcast on YouTube. Look, we're just about to go profitable on every one of these trades. Maybe it'll happen while we're sitting here. Sir, it sure could happen. Boy, it's getting close. I got some nice volume there. Here, 11:33 a.m. Eastern time. Maybe we'll sit here and watch it take profit. We'll see. Give me some time while we're sitting here thinking about it going to take profit. Give me some time to kind of articulate and think out loud about what's going to happen. So this free broadcast, again, it will be short and sweet, but I will also, my intent moving forward, and it could be a month or two before I get to this point, I'm going to run some advertisements inside of this, some sponsorships, literally me sponsoring it, right? When I say advertisements, it's going to be me. It's explanations of the value of using our free signal. I really think that's missing from the system. You just kind of come in and you get fed from a fire hose, and new people tend to be a little confused as to what we're doing, and we're looking at all these different accounts. So I'm going to separate this, but I will create some video clips and video clips / advertisements to run during this free presentation. daily, Monday through Friday, inside of YouTube. And then, of course, we won't do advertisements and clips and all that other stuff, most likely, inside the subscriber section. Once we go into the group, it's called a live stage. You'll see it in the left-hand menu. It should be in a channel, should be in a category called, now I'm losing my train of thought, should be in a category called subscribers only. And you'll see a live stage, and then you'll also see a link for live recordings, because I am going to record it, and then I'll upload that live at some point to the internet, which is available inside the group to subscribers only. Just so you know. So the format's going to evolve, and I can't imagine that this free signal, when we talk about the free signal, I can't imagine the overall live would last more than 5 to 10 minutes. That's kind of the goal. But again, I will be, for the subscribers, you can, if you want to see anything about the free signal, go ahead and watch this free broadcast on YouTube. And if you want to get deeper into all of the other accounts, I can just open them up, show all of the trades. We can go in depth. And on the live stage inside the group, you'd have the ability to raise your hand, come on live with your microphone. Certainly we could set it up if you needed to share your screen or something like that. But nonetheless, a lot more intimate scenario, some one-on-one stuff. Obviously it's a group, but we can talk one-on-one. Activate your microphone. We've done some testing on that. And of course there's live chat over to the right-hand side. We'll look at that today. So it is pulling back a little bit, pulling back a little bit. I don't think we're going to sit here and wait for it to take profit, but it is certainly very close. Let's go look at the history, which we will normally do. Nothing closed overnight. Here it is, Monday, September 16th, nearly midday. Market opened yesterday, Sunday evening at 5 p.m. So for the week, just looking back 5 days, you'll see there is a $340.35 profit. That's from the free signals, so that's a pretty nice profit if you're following along in these free signals. The base lot size is 0.10. I will spend more time in the future, each day on the free broadcast to YouTube, explaining how the system works, like literally going in depth for absolute brand new beginners. So you have to understand, that's why I'm separating it all, because I know that the people that are using the automated system may not necessarily need all the beginner stuff. If you need that, you can come watch the free signal broadcasts, which is what we're doing right now. And then, of course, if you're a subscriber, we can get as intimate and as Q&A as you need to inside of the group. So this is looking really good. If I scroll back for the month, it's $8,016.62. Most of the time, if you're taking the free signal, if you're just getting started, there's a lot of new people coming in. I know these people, I did a post on Facebook. There's a lot of people coming in. And I know that you don't understand how Forex works. But the idea is to jump in, set up a free demo account, and start trading, start bidding. And you can use a base lot size of 0.10. That's what that's what the free account uses. Certainly you could bid less, certainly you could bid more. But doing this would allow you to match up the same numbers as I have. Now also remember that the free signal that comes out, it's automated on my end. So if you're back here looking, you might have entered this trade, you might have been sleeping, and now you missed these two trades. That's not too big of a deal. There's a lot of different ways you can look at this. If you just entered trade number 1, you were in bed sleeping while these next two trades went off, and then you woke up and this trade was open, you could simply enter this trade right here at double the lot size that you originally entered at, if that's what the mathematics are on the screen. So if trade number 1 is 0.10 and the next trade you're entering is 0.20, you could do that. Or you could also, if you have enough room in your account, you could add up the two trades that you didn't enter So $2, $4. And then the next one would be at $2. You could add those together. So you could do a 0.60 lot size and have literally the exact same numbers I'm having. You could. It's not crucial. I'll say this a lot. It's not crucial to enter at the price I entered at. It's not. What's crucial is that you enter, obviously, the currency pair, obviously the direction, and if I click this bottom one here, update your take profit. Now, the take profit 103.580 has updated since the first trade. But if I open the first trade, it's at the same 103.580. That updates. And if you entered and set your take profit at that, and it's different now, so you go to bed, wake up in the morning, and the take profit is different now, and you have more trades, you can either add one trade and update both of your take profits, or you can add up the total lots that you might have missed and enter that total lots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, in this case, $8, so 0.80. You could do that if your account can handle it. Or if you're bidding min lot size 0.01, you could act like this was 0.02, 0.02, 0.02, 0.02. You could go 0.08 on your lot size and enter one trade that covers all four of those. You could absolutely do that. Price, my system is not entry time and price specific. It's direction specific and TP, take profit specific. And that will update as my system continues to add some trades. All it did was scale into this. It scaled into this trade. So great results, simple system. There's not much more I can say. I believe I'm going to go ahead and end it there for the day. Normally I'll run some more explainer type clips and some advertisements, in a sense, for why you would want to come get a subscription and some of the results you could get if you had a subscription. In all basic senses, what does a subscription give you? It gives you full automation. You plug it in, you copy my trades. The entry is fully automatic. You could be sleeping, it will enter more trades, it will update the take profit for you, it will take profit, close all the trades down in a profitable manner when it's done, and it's just pure automation. So that's it. Appreciate you watching. I'm going to end it there, and give me a minute or two. If you're a subscriber in the group, we'll come into the group, we'll work out the kinks in the live stage. It will notify you if you're inside the group that I'm live, and if you're a subscriber, you'll be able to click on it and come on in. If it doesn't work today, great, we'll get it figured out. You guys can live chat with me and tell me what is not working for you on your end. So that's it. Appreciate you watching the free signal broadcast. All subscribers, come on over fxwithterry.com into the Discord group, and we'll be on the live stage momentarily. I'll see you there.
Thank you for joining us on the Forex Trading Daily Live Show. Get access to all of the free trades with full auto trading at fxwithterry.com. Be sure to subscribe and get notified of the daily live stream. And get ready for your next profitable Forex trade.